Google has announced the launch of the COVID-19 Public Datasets program in an effort to help fight the spread of the novel coronavirus. The idea behind the COVID-19 Public Datasets program by Google is to eliminate barriers and provide quick and easy access to critical information for researchers, and thus eliminates the need to search for and onboard large data files. The datasets have a COVID-19 label, several sample queries, and a description, and they are searchable from the Google Cloud Console marketplace. Researchers can make use of BigQuery ML, Google's service that lets users create and execute machine learning models in BigQuery using SQL queries. It can also be used to train machine learning models on COVID-19 datasets. The debut of the COVID-19 Public Datasets program follows many other coronavirus mitigation efforts by Google. The search engine giant donated $800 million in ads and loans to organizations fighting the virus. It partnered with Microsoft and Palantir to build a dashboard for the UK's National Health Service and added a coronavirus tips Google Assistant shortcut.